Hi, I'm Kate and this is a quick comparison of the OPI Repair Mode Serum with the OPI Start to Finish Nail Strengthener. So they both do different things, but they are designed for damaged nails. This serum is something that you would put on completely clean nails, so no varnish on them. You just paint it on like this, doesn't matter if it's a bit messy. I would do this once in the morning, once in the evening, and it's a serum, so it's not a varnish, it's there to help care for your nails. You get a really good amount of product in this, and it has a very faint smell, but it's quite pleasant, it's slightly floral. The OPI Start to Finish I use more as a varnish, so I'll use it as a base coat and a top coat when combining it with my normal nail polish. So I'll put a layer of this on, then I'll put whatever nail polish I'm using, and then I'll finish off with a top coat. And this is designed to help strengthen your nails. So I absolutely love the results from both, but they are very different. One is a serum and one is more of a varnish that you can pair with your typical nail polish. I naturally have quite brittle nails, and I also get treatments done like gel, which does damage my nails, so I rely heavily on both of these products to help me through. Those are my thoughts, and I hope you found this comparison helpful.